What is going on? Welcome to Greggles TV. This video is all about the Ray-Ban Meta AI glasses and if you can use eye insurance on them to get them either for free or reduced, and the lenses and all of that. And I wanted to talk to you from a first-person experience about that so that you can decide when and if you can do that. So let's jump into it. So here in America, a lot of people have vision or eye insurance, whatever you wanna call it, to get glasses for reduced or free. Same thing with lenses, reduced or free. Some people don't have eye insurance. If you don't, then you pay full price for whatever you buy. Now me, I do have eye insurance, but I got both of my pairs of the Ray-Ban Metas at Best Buy. But I actually submitted my frames that I bought from Best Buy through my eye insurance provider, and I was actually given money back. Now, it's not a lot of money, it's 60 bucks, especially when these cost 300 plus bucks. It doesn't sound like a lot, but it is something. And when you submit these things, it's either in network or out of network. And since I bought them at Best Buy, it's out of network. So that's why I was only able to get a kind of small amount back, but it is still something. Continuing on with that, if I had gotten these in network, I definitely could have got more money back and potentially could have got them for free. Same thing with the lenses. If I go to an eye doctor that's in network, I can get the lenses most likely for free or at that point, reduced cost. Now, I just use reading glasses and I reached out to a company, they sent me some and I've already done a video on it. They work really well, they're really inexpensive and I don't need to go in and try to get anything approved for that. But the frames, like I said, can be kind of expensive, and yes, you can use your eye insurance for sure, without a doubt, even if you just bought them as sunglasses, which I did. These didn't have any lenses in them in terms of being prescribed. They were both the same pair of sunglasses, and I was able to get them for, again, 60 bucks off. But everybody's eye insurance is different here in America. Some people might cover a lot more, it might be a lot less, but it will be something. And all I did was go on to my eye insurance provider and I submitted it as an out-of-network submission. I gave them the receipt from Best Buy, I submitted it, and then within 2 weeks, they sent me a check and I cashed it. So regardless if you're gonna put lenses in these or not that are prescribed or not, or if you're just gonna use them as sunglasses, submit that through your insurance. They will definitely most likely give you something back. And usually you can do it at least once a year, sometimes twice a year, sometimes it's once every 2 years or so, but you should be able to submit them. And to be fair, it's really with any frames that you buy. It could be some that are in the future with Google, it could be the new Metas that come out in the future, or it could be these ones. Regardless, you should be able to get some money back just by submitting it to your eye insurance company. So there you guys go. I hope that answered some of your questions. I kind of spoke about this previously, but I actually did it maybe not a month ago, maybe 3 weeks ago at this point. And like I said, I got a check cut out to me, sent to me, and I cashed it and everything's good. Thanks for watching. If you want to pick these up, they're linked down below. They're really cool. I think you're really gonna like them, and we'll see you guys down the road. Peace.